to a city fair rode I. The armed lines of marching men in squadrons passed me by. No pipe did hum, no battle drum did sound its loud tattoo, but the angelus bells o'er the leafy swells rang out in the foggy dew. Right proudly high in Dublin town hung they out a flag of war. 'Twas better to die 'neath that Irish sky than that silver subtle bar. And from the plains of royal Meath strong men came hurrying through, while Britannia's hounds with their long-range guns sailed through in the foggy dew. Bell rang mournfully and clear for those who died that Easter tide in the springing of the year, while the world did gaze with deep amaze at those fearless men but few, who bore the fight that freedom's light might shine through the foggy dew. And my heart with grief was sore, for I parted then with valiant men whom I never shall see no more. But to